Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track progress of tasks in Microsoft Planner. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your plans and task boards where you can monitor progress and productivity. After logging in, you'll see your main dashboard. Direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation panel. Look for and click on My Plans. This section displays all the plans you're currently involved in, whether you created them or you're a member of someone else's plan. It's your central hub for accessing all your project boards. From the list that appears, select the specific plan you want to track. This could be any project board you're working on, whether it's for your team, department, or a specific initiative. Clicking on it will open up the full plan view with all your tasks and buckets visible. Now here's where the magic happens. At the top of your screen, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the one labeled Charts. This tab is specifically designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your plan's progress through visual representations. It transforms all your task data into easy-to-understand graphs and charts, making it simple to spot bottlenecks or areas that need attention. Once the charts view loads, you'll immediately see a variety of visualizations about your plan. The first chart you'll encounter is the status chart. This shows you exactly how many tasks are left to complete and displays the overall status distribution. You can see at a glance how many tasks are not started, in progress, or completed. The graph makes it incredibly easy to understand where your team stands without having to count individual tasks manually. Right below that, you'll find the priority chart. This visualization breaks down your tasks based on their priority levels, showing you whether most of your work is urgent, important, or low priority. It helps you ensure that high priority items aren't getting overlooked and that your team is focusing on what matters most. If you want to track progress by buckets, there's a dedicated graph for that as well. This chart displays each bucket within your plan and shows the progress percentage for tasks within each category. It's particularly useful if you've organized your work by phases, departments, or project components, as it lets you see which areas are moving forward and which might be falling behind. Additionally, you can track individual member contributions by looking at the members chart. This visualization shows how tasks are distributed among team members and how much each person has completed. It's a great way to ensure workload is balanced and to recognize team members who are making strong progress. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to track task progress in Microsoft Planner using the built-in charts feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.